Hi everyone, this is a video to show you how to download a Google Doc and save it as a Word document and then upload it into Blackboard. So I'm going to first download, go to File, Download, Microsoft Word, and then it will be down here. And then you enable editing, click File, Save As. I'll go ahead and put it wherever. Rhetorical analysis, okay. So go ahead and save it, and I'll just go ahead and save it in my documents. Comp 1, okay, rhetorical analysis. Okay, so I have it saved. Now I'm going to go into Blackboard and go into week 9, essay number 2, rhetorical analysis. I go to browse my computer and I go to my document, rhetorical analysis, McGee Clay, open, and then I click submit. So it should show what. Now if I was in student mode, you would be able to see that it'll say that your submission has been complete. Again, you should have already done this a million times already this semester, but still, just in case, want to make sure, just in case you have to save it as a Word doc or as a PDF. You cannot upload into Blackboard a document. So please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.